Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for Fashion Mother-Daughter Duo to Pallavi and Bhairavi Jaikishan.
To present this award, may we have on stage Hafiz Contractor, celebrated architect, and Dr. Swati Srivastav.
Presenting the 20th Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for music, vocalist and musician to Falu Falguni Shah.
To present the next award, I would request Roop Kumar Rathore sir and Amit Saad to join us here on stage, please.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. I am so honored to receive this award tonight from Beti Flow Great on behalf of all women around the world. We are the manifestations of the Mother Goddess. Together, we are consciousness, intellect, and compassion of the world. Tonight, I'd like to thank my family. My guru, Uday Mazumdar, is sitting right here. Thank you. And my first guru, my mother, and Komadi Munshi, who is my second guru. And I was born and raised in Mumbai, but now I live in New York. Through music, my goal in life is to help improve people's lives all over the world. So thank you so much.
Presenting the Radio Nasha Voice of Change to Naila Masood.
To present the next award, I would like to call on stage Gaurav Sharma, Chief Programming Officer, Fever FM and Radio Nasha, and RJ Rohini, Radio Nasha. Please come on stage with us. Thank you.
I don't know what to say. I'm really, really honored to be here. And initially, I thought it was a hoax because when I got a call, I was like, do I deserve this? Should I be here? But I'm so glad I have this platform. And I hope that whoever's here and if any of you would like to get in touch with us and help us grow, I mean, we'd love that. And thank you again.
Presenting the 20th Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for business to Chauhan sisters, Shauna, Nadia and Alisha.
And now I would like to call on stage Kiran Gera, past President Flow, India Co-Chair, Flow SCWEC, and Vinita Bimbet, ex-President Flow National, India Chair, India Asian Women's Business Forum. Please, can we have you on stage?
We'd like to call our father up, Mr. Prakash Chauhan.
Three of you take it together.
I'd like to thank Vicky Flow for this Beti Award. But this award is actually dedicated to our parents. This award, which is for our parents, who have supported us unconditionally in making us strong, independent, and unstoppable. They've made us capable daughters, businesswomen, mothers, and much more. Thank you.
very fortunate to have my daughters who today have got me to totally retire and have no tension. And that's what Beti Power is.
20th Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for Digital and IT, NASSCOM, to Debjani Ghosh.
Our next awardee cements this fact still further.
Thank you, Vicky Flo. This is a tremendous honor. This goes to two sets of people. One, of course, my parents, who taught me, I think from the very day I was born, that a girl can do as much as a boy, and maybe more, because I have a lot of brothers. And the second set of people is my other family, the NASSCOM family. I have always been taught to think of the highest thing that I can possibly do, and then get that opportunity and be the best at it. That's been the value I've grown with. NASSCOM was what I wanted to do. It was my dream job. A forum, a body with the best of the Indian IT in it and handling 170 billion industry. It was what I wanted to do. I was very clear about it from the day I came back to India. So thank you, NASSCOM. Thank you, Harish Bhai. He is, by the way, the person in whose office NASSCOM started, along with a few friends. Thank you for the trust. Thank you for the belief. And thank you for believing I could walk with the tallest in this industry. This is a tremendous opportunity. And what NASSCOM has taught me, empowerment is not enough. That's not where we should end our dreams. We have to dream bigger. We have to dream about equality and maybe some more. Show the world what we're capable of and be really good at it. And I strongly believe that if you believe you can do it, you have tremendous support in this industry and this world, and they will help you achieve that dream. So thank you again to both my parents and to NASSCOM for this honor. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Presenting the 20th Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for Entrepreneur Beauty to Falguni Nair.
Request Habil Khorakiwala, Chairman Wockhardt Hospitals, to come up on stage, please.
Good evening, everyone, and just want to say a big thank you to Beti Flow Great Awards. And it's an honor to be in front of such a distinguished guest and fellow awardees. I'm truly honored to receive the award, and I want to thank for recognizing this amazing journey that Nykaa has had for last 5 years. We chose the word Nykaa as a derivation of Naika, an actress, a Sanskrit word which means that one in the spotlight. And our vision was to create through beauty an empowered community of women who are not afraid to pursue their dreams and reach their full potential. And today, there could be no more timely need to ensure that every woman and every girl in India is given the opportunity to reach their goals. Our success is a product of an unwavering support of people around me. My parents, who first empowered me to think not like a girl, if I may say so, but also my husband, who supported me throughout our journey, my children, my colleagues at work, as well as my team at Nykaa. Nykaa has given me the chance to meet a lot of women across India, and as part of this, I constantly am in awe to see how ingenious they are, how creative they are, and how ambitious they are today. And this group of women that I meet on a regular basis actually motivates me to do more for them. And today, of course, I'm truly humbled to be in the company of other amazing women who are here today. And it's the platforms like this that allow women to show that they also can be truly recognized today. So thank you for honoring me today, and I'm happy to be here.
The Beti Special Mention, Girl Child Education and Rehabilitation to Sheetal Duggad.
For the next set of award, I would like to call on stage Anup Jalota and Sudhanshu Pandey, please.
Good evening, everybody. I'd like to thank Beti Flow Great for giving me this award. I'm feeling very privileged to be here. And I will dedicate this award to my daughters. I have 3 daughters. For them, this award. And the award gives more boost to do more social service, so I will do it for sure. Thank you.
The 20th Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for Law, Special Mention for Women Rights to Karuna Nandi.
I would request Harish Mehta, CMD Onward Technologies Limited and founder member of NASSCOM, to come up on stage and do the honors, please.
It is an honor to be here. Thank you, Flo, and thank you all of you for this award. I will use this award as fuel for further work. And I also want to say that everyone here is really a winner, the women here, because every single woman here has faced sexual assault, discrimination, sexual harassment, one or the other, often all 3. And emerging in spite of it all and using that, to drive one forward is, I think, something that is really important. If we continue in the vein that we are today, it's going to take us 400 years to achieve real equality. And so unless we take affirmative steps, that's not going to happen. When I was a child, my father sort of gave me a poem, which I sort of carry like a taviz. It wasn't written by him, it was written by Theodore Roosevelt. It was modified for me. And I'm going to share that with you onward. It is not the critic who counts, not the man who points out where the strong woman stumbled, or where the doer of deeds could have done them better. The credit belongs to the woman who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly and errs and comes short again and again, who spends herself in a worthy cause, and at the best, in the end, knows the triumph of high achievement, and at the worst, she fails. At least fails while daring greatly, so that her place may never be among those timid souls who know neither victory nor defeat. Power to you.
The 20th Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for television to Shubhangi Atre Pure, Shivangi Joshi and Rubina Dilayak.
I would like to call on stage Rohita Shvugor and Abhinav Shukla.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here, and I'm very thankful to God for this award which I'm getting here today. And I would like to make the best use of this title by serving each and every woman of our country and 3 cheers to women empowerment. Thank you. A very good evening. Thank you so very much. Thank you, Shashiji. Thank you, Hanuman, for this recognition. Wow, that was a surprise. Well, as a feminist who believes in gender equality, I want to dedicate this award tonight to the 3rd gender of our society. Hence, thank you. Hence, freeing not only the women but men from the prescribed gender stereotypes. So we all are unique. Let's celebrate our uniqueness and embrace others with their uniqueness. it's a complete honor and of course a surprise that I'm going to receive this award from the love of my life. Thank you so very much, because he's the wind beneath my wings. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
It's my honor. She's beautiful, she's caring.
ये लो पगली, ये अवार्ड तुम्हारे लिए है।
भैया, लेकिन भैया आप यहाँ कब आए?
अभी आए थे पगली, देखा तो तुम बहुत लेट हो गई। इतनी लेट का आई पगली?
ना थोड़ा सा मेडअप में थे।
मेडअप नहीं, मेकअप होता है पगली।
ऐसे ही पकड़े हैं। Well, good evening everyone. इस सम्मान के लिए मैं आप सभी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। अभी तो अचीवमेंट की मुझे नहीं लगता है, जस्ट वार्म अप, और अभी बहुत काम करना चाहती हूँ, बहुत एंटरटेन करना चाहती हूँ। बट थैंक यू, रियली दिल से थैंक यू। और थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ अनुरंजन जी को, शशि रंजन जी को, और आप सभी को, माय व्यूअर्स, एंड जिन से मैंने जो भी सीखा है, आप सभी को। बेटी के लिए 4 पंक्तियाँ कहना चाहती हूँ। आज का दिन बेटी को समर्पित है, तो बेटियों के लिए 4 पंक्तियाँ कहूँगी। पिता का दुलार होती है बेटी, माता का अभिमान होती है बेटी, 2 कुलों का श्रृंगार होती है बेटी, इस सृष्टि का विस्तार होती है बेटी, तो क्यों न हुजूर हर घर में हो एक बेटी। Thank you.
Presenting the 20th Beti Flow Great Women Awards 2018 for Media and Advertising to Miss Anupriya Acharya.
Firstly, of course, it's a huge honor to be here among such an august gathering, and I'm really inspired by all the videos that I've seen and all the people that I've met over here. Very accomplished and capable women, and it's delightful to be in the company of all such people. I would like to thank Flow. I've been part of some of their programs, and I think it's really commendable the kind of work that they do, and it's really selfless service. In the area of women empowerment and working at the grassroots level, at the senior level, and I think it's really commendable. I'm really moved by getting to know more about the Beti movement, and I really wish them more power and more success in the years to come by. Today on the stage, I would like to thank my mom, and she's my inner strength actually. She was a single parent for the longest time, and she brought up 3 daughters pretty single-handedly. She used to work, she used to manage home, and I think she's done a great job of parenting as well. She never really taught us what is it that we need to do. We just learned about her actions and the tenacity and the inner strength that she showed in bringing us up. I think today also, when I'm juggling, between various tasks, and when I'm come to a tough moment, I just have to close my eyes and I think of her, and I feel that if she could, so can I. So she's my inner strength, and I wish she was here. I would also like to definitely recognize my husband, Amresh, who is here. And we are married for now about 25 years. I've known each other for slightly longer than that. And a lot of people tell me that he's a very supportive husband. But I must tell you the truth, he's not a supportive husband. He actually aggressively inspires me, encourages me, goads me to do better and better and better. So I definitely share all my achievements with him as well. And lastly, I would definitely like to talk about my industry, advertising and media, the world which I took almost close to 23 years back. And even in mid-90s when I joined this profession, at that point in time there wasn't much conversation around women empowerment. But I must say that there were some very powerful women at the helm in those ages. And again, it's not what they told us that inspired us, it's what they did, the way they conducted themselves, and the power they just brought by just walking around on the shop floor. And that's what's inspired me as well. So thank you all and have a great evening.
Presenting Great special mention, sanitation and menstrual hygiene for women to Malini Parmar and Smita Kulkarni.
I'd like to call upon Amruta Fadnavis, as we call her the First Lady of Maharashtra, on stage, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Kiran, for considering us and giving us this honor. Thank you, Vicky, Flo. Thank you, Beti. You're doing amazing work. We would also like to thank our women in SWMRT, in Bangalore Eco team, and Green the Red campaigns that we are running. And most of all, we would like to thank Garbage, which is what made us from IT, professionals working with Fortune 500 companies, and brought us to the streets working with garbage. We looked at the problem around us and we felt there was an answers available. So something like this, which is a menstrual cup, one menstrual cup replaces 10 years of sanitary pads. No trash, no cash, and no rush. That's what we say. Thank you.
To all the gorgeous women here, if you like to swim during your periods and you like to be zero waste and you like to enjoy life, I love the word unstoppable that you keep saying. It's awesome. So thank you. Please find out more about the cup, and we'll be happy to talk to and give a demo to everyone here. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. Indeed, it's an honor today to give awards to people I look up to people I admire. Rajeshri ma'am is there. She's also being awarded. I'm very happy about it. In fact, I must say that all these women who are getting awarded testify the saying that success is about loving yourself, it is about loving what you do, and it is about the way you do it. So congratulations to all of you. All women here, all across, are supernovas. They are constellations of contradictions, and I think so it's not right to just call them pretty. They are everything you can think of. So congrats once again. Sky is the limit for you. We have done it latest in the Commonwealth Games in fields like boxing and weightlifting. So I think so anywhere we aim, anywhere we look into with passion, we'll achieve. So best of luck and congratulations, and keep going. Thank you.